Hello traders, it's your one and only forex skill coach Tim Legend, and I'm super excited having you guys here today. It's gonna be a very quick one. I just want to show you guys a beautiful and wonderful update in the TradingView stroke derivative platform, okay, or binary platform. Quite a lot of you have been asking me, hey Tim, how do you use your TradingView on to analyze your boom and crash markets? All right, now there's this issue that we used to have before, which is if you can analyze your boom and crash with the TradingView platform, but you can't save it, and you can if you if you log out of it, you can't come back to it, or whenever you come back to it, you won't see the analysis you've made before. Okay, all you just have to do is to start afresh, and that made quite a lot of people decide that, man, it's better I keep using my MT5, because when I make my analysis on MT5, if I log out and come back online, I would always see my analysis. But now Binary has upgraded their TradingView version. Now you can easily make your analysis and always come back to it anytime, any day, and you will see your analysis on your charts. All right, you're gonna understand more what I mean once we get into the chart. For the meantime, if this is your first time on my channel, could you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out a thing? Because in this channel, all I post is winning strategies, and I teach how to be profitable in your trading career. All right, then for those who are still wanting to join the boom and crash community, this is the boom and crash traders community. This is what we do here in the community. We don't trade in isolation, right? We trade profitably. We do things beyond imaginations here. Can you see what traders are doing in the community? These are traders that I have taught how to be profitable, and we keep being profitable every single day. You understand? So if you haven't joined it, or if you're still doubting if this is really real, you need to take off the doubt and be part of this community. Can you see massive moves? You'll be like, how do they know when the spike is coming? They have been taught, they know it, and that's how we keep winning. All right, let's go straight to the business. Now this was the old version. This is the tradingviews.binary.com/version 1.3.12. This was the old version before. All right, and in this version right now, I'll just copy this link and go straight to my Chrome browser. Or let me just paste this right now and click on it. This is what you're going to see: 404 not found. That's to tell you that they are not more working with this version. Okay, but now if I go to the new version on a norms, okay, if it was the old version, if I have made all my analysis before and then I log out of my browser, anytime I come back in, I won't see my analysis again, because it's gonna be refreshed automatically. You understand? But now I can easily open the new version, and this is what you're gonna see. This is how the new version looks. You have binary.com on top. All right, and then this is what you're gonna see. You see your analysis. All right, this is my analysis that I made since yesterday night. Okay, and whoa, the price is really working in accordance to prediction. Okay, so this is analysis I made yesterday night. I logged out only for me to come back, and this is what I'm seeing. My analysis is still in place. If I remove this one and go to which other market did I analyze? I think I analyzed either boom 500 or crash 500. Let me see. Okay, let me check crash 500 or so. There was another market that I analyzed last night. Okay, this is crash. You can see clearly this is analysis that I made last night, and then what do you see? You can see clearly that the analysis is still on your screen. So now you don't have to be afraid of, hey, I don't want to make my analysis on TradingView only to come back and I can't find it again. You know, that's what a lot of people have been contemplating in the time past, you know, and a lot of people complained about it. Maybe that is the reason why they had us and they made this new version. So now it's very interesting. Make your analysis and you can log out anytime you want. Okay, you can close anytime you want, open it anytime you want, trader, and you will see your analysis that you have made, you have spent your time to make. You will still see your analysis in place for you. Okay, so this is for you to know that if you're not enjoying MT5 platform perfectly, you can always come to TradingView for your boom and crash or volatility index in volatility index analysis. Okay, making sense now, isn't it? All right, so this is the simple rule, okay, on how to make it to really stay on your screen whenever you want to do it. After making your analysis, you want to make sure that you save it. And how do you save it? When you've done all the things you want to do, right, make all this analysis you want to make, you want to make sure you click here. It says save chart. You can see it said save chart. You click it and it saves settings saved successfully. Okay, just make sure that you do that so that whenever you log out and come back in, you can easily find your settings in place. Okay, traders, so I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the top. Keep winning. All right.